was on the porch, puffing ports, waiting for the reaper. I asked him, can you take me sooner as a favor? He told me, homie, you can change the world if your mind is right. So every night I sit and write my feelings in the room, contemplating on making a living, appreciating anything that is given to me. Cause ain't shit free in the world nowadays. Nobody listens when a good song plays. The ways of the lost cost a life where I'm from. Suicide is like getting high to the young. They spun up dope, their home is broke. Welfare checks the antidote. We need some hope, so I wrote this note to show them I can float above the hate and struggle. I fixed the puzzle, I'm gonna need the muzzle, cause I'm speaking for the trouble. My energy doubled, I'm in the herb shuttles, coming from the puddles in the mud, feeling like a god, and so should you. Zooted on a pyramid block, hearing the cops come in. I ain't shit, but ain't your thoughts on me. The floor's the ceiling, barely the building. Swimming in the ocean, full of civilians. All this shit comes to me so prolific. Ask a bitch to come float on this Olympus. Hold your seats for this gimmick. Watch as I fall apart and scatter from existence. Temple office, I be walking through the top pits to find I got a lawsuit. So corrupted, they ain't helping nothing. I've been slaving for a minute and I seen it coming. Illegal substance, constant in my presence. Life's with a lesson on how I lesson. Life's with a lesson on how I lesson.